Cafcass works with children and families in public and private law proceedings.
We make recommendations where the court's making decisions about the living arrangements of children.
We gather a huge amount of sensitive information about what is the most important people in their lives, their children. So we need a system that's logical, intuitive and reliable.
So our aim is to make sure that every single one of those children gets an exceptional experience every single time they interact with us, wherever they are in the country. And with a remote workforce who aren't principally office-based, covering the whole of the country, technology plays a crucial part in providing that service. So Cafcass worked with a single supplier in a fairly monolithic IT contract, fairly old-fashioned in its approach for many years. And we had all of our services with a single supplier contract. Whilst we'd achieved a great deal in that, it was definitely time by the middle of the 2010s and start to build relationships with some suppliers who were more suited to Cafcass's scale. So after a pretty extensive process, we decided that Littlefish were the partner for us. It was a combination of the scale of operation, the like-minded nature of the organisations. So as we were moving into a multi-partner ecosystem, we were particularly keen to have somebody at the centre of that as the managed services supplier. And Littlefish demonstrated to us and have continued to demonstrate to us that they're people who can do that.
We use our technology every day for everything that we do, so it's so important it works when we need it to work, and the reliability of the IT systems that we have been absolutely fantastic.
Since they've been appointed and started working with us, Littlefish have been consistently delivering a really excellent service to our staff at the desktop, and they've always been very delighted. We have a really tough regime. We love working with our partners, but we like holding people to account at the same time. We have a sliding scale approach to customer satisfaction, so as the years go on it gets harder, and I'm really pleased to say that Littlefish have consistently hit that performance measure and staff are really happy. We've just this year done an all-staff survey covering the whole of IT. We're hitting 95+% satisfaction with IT as a whole, and that's testament to a lot of the work that we've done with Littlefish and consolidating and continuing to improve. So we re-signed with Littlefish last year following a further competition, and they were again the most appropriate partner for us to continue working with.
We're really excited about what I think the technology can bring for us, both in relation to AI and automation, and where we can use that to free our practitioners time to spend more time with children and families.
So there's a lot of exciting things happening at Cafcass, and Littlefish are very much part of that journey.